Don't hit the window. Don't hit the window. Oh, Jackson. Come on, Birdie. Out the door. Oh, dear. We should open all the windows. Oh, Jackson, you're fine. Ezra, where's the birdie? Is there a birdie?
Really hold it.
You can't hold it, baby. Hush, Jackson. Is that a birdie? Is that a birdie? Jackson, get. Is he okay? Bird. What? Should the birdie go bye-bye? Is that what you're saying? What's the birdie doing?
I need to poop in the house.
You don't want it to poop in the house? Well, I think it already did. What do you think, Stella? Watch out or it'll poop on your head.
What?
Nothing.
Then poop on me.
Cheep, cheep, cheep.
I thought we could hold it. Mary Poppins holded one.
Mary Poppins held a fake bird, Stella. It wasn't a real one. Ezra.
Mary Poppins is
Where's the
real.
birdie?
Mary Poppins.
Stella, stop bouncing. Ow! Stop! Get off! Where'd it go?
Where?
Where'd it go? Oh, it's flying around! Ah, it's gonna hit my head! No, wrong way, Birdie. Out the door.
Out the door. Out the door. Don't poop on my head. Don't poop in your mouth in the house.
You want to get that birdie, don't you, Jackson? Out the door, bird. Come here. Come on, bird. I don't want him to hit the window. Come on, birdie bird. Aw, he just pooped.
Where?
On Daddy's Bible. on the books on the table.
Ew.
Yeah, Mama's got to go turn off the grinder. Jackson, come! Where'd the birdie go? Where'd it go?
Why did it have to poop?
Because birdies do that. Out! Out the door. Go! Shoot! Oh, almost! Oh, you're almost there! Out! Out! Out the door! No, wrong way! Bird, come on! Come on! Out the door! Out the door! Oh, so close! Oh, the end! Dude, how can you not do that? Out the door! Come on! Go! Down! Bird, down! Oh, good night. Go, bird. Go! Out! Go! Lower! Go! Oh, you're so close. It almost hit Mama on the head, Stella. Get, Jackson.
Get away.
Go your pencils. Come on, birdie. Out the door. Out the window. Something. Come on. Out. Go. Lower. Go. Lower. Go. Out. Good night. You are so not afraid. You must be a baby.
Huh?
You must be a baby birdie because he's just tiring out or something. You almost let me touch him.
I think it's a mama.
Isn't that silly?
I think it's a mama.
Out the door. Dude. He's not very smart if he can fly right through the window. Hush. Out, bird.
Get out.
Hush. Out. Go on. Go, lower. Oh no, the door's closed. Come on, birdie. Out the door. Ah! Push the door closed. Baxton, would you stop barking? Yeah, you go outside and bark.
Where did the birdie go?
He's up here on the light still. Out the door. Go on. Close. Oh, please go down. Down. No.
No, Mama.
Birdie's not very smart, is he?
Mama.
Out. Oh, no, go. Come on, Jackson. Come on, little birdie, you can do it. You stay outside. It's right there. Jackson, you hush. Oh, come on. Where's the birdie, Ezra? Where's the birdie? No! You are so not smart. You are a foot from the door. Dude, stop pooping in my house. Out. You okay? Did you bonk? Out.
I think it's just a baby.
Hush.
Mama, I think
Out.
we can put it in. Don't poop on my head.
Out. All right. Little bird. Out.
Daddy has to deal with it.
I don't want it to be in here that long, because then it'll, like, be forever. Out. I really don't want to have to catch it. Out.
We're going to have to catch it.
Ah! Out the door, bird. Go out the door. Come on, birdie. Oh, you're so close. Down, down, down. Down, lower. Not where you want to be. Let's see. Maybe Mama can catch him. Come here, Stella. Can you hold the camera for Mama? Okay, Jackson, stay down. Just hold the camera and watch the picture, okay? Keep the picture on the birdie, okay? Keep the picture on the birdie. Ezra, sit down. Mama's going to catch him in a pillowcase, hopefully.
And then what will we do with him?
Then we'll put him outside.
Then he can fly around outside?
You watching the birdie through the camera?
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
watching it.
See if we can do this. I don't know if it'll work.
Did you catch him?
Ah! Almost! Almost! Hi! Ah! Dang! Watch the birdie, Stella. Watch the birdie. Where's the birdie? Up. 3-year-old. I'm on video camera.
Get it! Get it! Get it!
I'm trying to, honey. You've got to stop. He's getting tired. He's getting tired. Come here, birdie bird.
Mama! Not catch it!
I'm trying to, sweetheart. Watch him. Watch the birdie. Where's the birdie? No.
Don't see it anywhere.
Oh, I got it.
You got it?
Oh, almost. Jackson, no. 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 Come here, little bird. I don't want you to hurt yourself. Come on.
Did you catch it?
Get.
I can't really see it.
Let go. Okay. Let's bring him outside. Here. You ready?
Yeah.
You got the birdie in the bag. Okay? Watch out. Get, Jackson. Ready? No. Get. Get back. Get. Let the little birdie out. See? See, little birdie? Get back. He's scared.
Why is he scared?
Because he was stuck in our house for a long time. He's just a baby. Get back. Get back. Jackson. Get back. Don't touch, Ezra. Boy, get back. Get. But he's not. No, you can't pet it. He's a wild bird, Stella. It's not like the ones at the zoo. No, 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 Ezra. Oh, there he goes. Yay! Say